In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a default description for your YouTube videos. Whenever you go to upload a video on YouTube, you will add a description to your video. A lot of times in that description, you want to include your social media handles, a link to your website, and every time you create a video description, you don't want to have to add it every single time. And so when you create a default video description, that information will be there already as a template, and then you can add to it for the particular video that you are working with. So in order to do this, you're going to go to YouTube, and then you want to open your Creator Studio. So click on your profile in the right hand corner and then click on YouTube Studio. Within your YouTube Studio, you're going to click on Settings. From here, go to Upload Defaults. And then you can fill out a basic title or a description for your YouTube videos. In this case, we're going to fill out the description. So I'm just going to paste a generic description that I've already written out. At the end of each video, I just want to give the call to action that makes sure that they like the video, leave a comment below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this case, I included a link to my YouTube channel, and then all of my social media handles to my website, Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. That way, each of these will be here in my description. Every time I go to upload a video to YouTube, it will be there for me, and I don't have to add it each time. And then when you have added it there, go ahead and click on Save. When I go to create a video within the Creator Studio, go ahead and click on Create and upload your video, and then select the files in which you want to upload. As you can see here, after uploading my video here, in the description section, that information is already there displayed for me. That way I can just easily update this description to fit the needs of my current video, and I don't have to add in all of that information again manually for every single video I upload on Pinterest. So definitely set a default description for your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video on how to create default YouTube video descriptions. Be sure to like this video and leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel where I share helpful tech tutorials on how to run your blog and business. This is Trisha from blogherway.com. See you next time.